Good morning. My name is Brian Faust. I'm with Faust Marketing. We are the regional representatives for IPS Weld and Christys, and today we're going to be doing a presentation on the update with the acquisition of Weld and Christys. So we appreciate you joining us today, and hopefully the information is helpful. In our overview today, we're going to be covering IPS Weld and Christys update, order consolidation, 1PO status, the Weld product offering, Weld new Eco Series, test type product offering, Christys product offering, selling points, displays and merchandisers, and our latest Stock Your Truck promotion. So to get started with the IPS Weld and Christys update, IPS Weld acquired Christys about a year ago, and we like to think that we're better together 1 year later. So with all the quality primers and cements that Weld has been known for, we now have the added addition to some of the quality products that Christys was offering, and most importantly, their red hot glue product line. IPS now has in its portfolio 3 quality product lines that are useful in the industrial, municipal, and waterworks markets. We have the line of Weld primers and cements and accessories. We have the full line of Christys cements, job site essentials, tools, merchandising, and display options. And we also have the Weld test type product line with test plugs for the job sites. Order consolidation 1PO status. Effective April 2020, all IPS Weld distributors and all T Christys distributors now have the ability to add all products to one purchase order. The launch date was in April of this year. So now we have a freight paid policy of $1,500. If you have concerns or questions about that, we will work with you. Just give our team a call at Faust Marketing. The minimum order is $250. And we recommend that you email orders to our team at sales@faustmarketing.com. Or if you prefer, you can email the orders directly to Weld at domesticcs@weldon.com. Customer service phone numbers, you can call 1-800-BLUE-GLUE, or you can call the Faust Marketing team at 281-296-2500. So with the combination of IPS Weld and Christys primers and cements with the job site essentials and tools equals value and convenience. Now to the Weld product offering. IPS Weld is the original innovator of solvent cements, primers, and cleaners for PVC, CPVC, and ABS plastic piping systems for over 60 years of experience. All formulations are low VOC for better air and workplace environment and meet all necessary listings and code regulatory requirements. Which solvent cements do we use? Well, that's where our team can help. If you contact us, it all depends on the application, whether you're using Schedule 40, Schedule 80, what size the pipe is, whether you're using 1/2 inch or 24 inch. Each has a different viscosity that we recommend. And as a general rule, with regular, medium, heavy, and extra body, the heavier the body, the more time you're going to have to work with it. So you're going to use those products more as the sizes get larger. IPS Weld carries a complete line of industrial grade and waterworks cements. The industrial grade cements are our premium line of products that have our highest loadings of chemicals like THF and cyclohexanone. Those products would be something like IPS 711 for PVC, or our famous IPS 724 chemically resistant cement for CPVC that also works on PVC as well. But this line also includes our primers like P70, which is available in purple and clear. Why must a quality primer be used? We get a lot of calls from customers about why primer is so important, but primer is probably one of the most important steps in the solvent cementing process. Number one, the primer softens the surfaces much faster than the solvent cement alone. You get a deeper, more aggressive penetration using a quality primer. Primers are available in color or purple. In certain code jurisdiction, purple colored primer may be required. It's an essential for Schedule 80 pressure systems and for hard surfaces like CPVC pipe and fittings.
Hey Brian, this is Rico. We have a question from the group. Our customer is currently using a competitor's product and price is very important to their customer. What can we offer?
No, that's a great question, Rico, and thanks for your question. As I mentioned, IPS Weld-On is synonymous with quality. We're not just a can of MEK and acetone, which a lot of the competitive products out there are just that. IPS has very specially formulated mixes of THF, cyclohexanone, very aggressive solvents. Now, unfortunately, those solvents are the more costly solvents, so the more that we use in those, obviously, the higher the price our products are. But IPS Weld-On also has a separate line of solvent cements and primers called Weld All, and we offer that to our customers that are more price conscious. So if you're interested in Weld All products, we can offer you those and be a little bit more competitive with some of the competitive products on the market and still give you a quality product. For your team, we also have product selection guides that can help, as well as counter mats. Just contact our team and we'll be happy to get a list of counter mats sent out to each location. Weld-On has a complete line of applicators. A lot of people don't realize that the dauber that comes in the can is really only good up to about 3 inches in diameter. With 4 inches and above, you really need to be using a swab or roller. In this particular photo here, you see that you have a super swab that fits on a quart and gallon can, and it's also extendable, so it will reach down into the bottom of a gallon can. We also have accessories like can tote, and we offer these to the contractors mainly as a convenience and a OSHA requirement. Most contractors will put duct tape around the primer and cement, and you use twice as much cement on a project that you do with primer. So they end up having to cut the duct tape, and in some cases the duct tape will cover over the label, which is a violation of certain codes. So this can tote is really nice because you're able to lift the lid up on the can tote and replace the cement as needed. IPS Weld-On offers a complete line of thread sealants, compounds, and lubricants. We have thread sealants for just about every application, from metal piping to plastic piping. We offer White Seal, which is a Teflon-based thread sealant. We offer Blue Seal, which is an industrial-grade Teflon-based thread sealant. We offer All Seal, which is just kind of an all-around good thread sealant. On the market, there's some very good products, contractor favorites out there. So if you're open to using IPS Weld-On thread sealants, give us a call. We can sample, and I'm confident you'll find that ours is as good or better quality. We also have easy flush lubricants for gasket lubrication, and we also have cutting oils for the customers as well. Next, to review the Weld-On Eco Series line. The latest innovation with Weld-On is the Eco Series. We like to say the strength you trust now with ultra-low VOC. With the new Eco Series, you get superior joint strength with 30% lower solvent emissions, less odorous fumes, very environmentally friendly, and it meets current and future low VOC regulations. It also has a 4-year shelf life.
Hey, Brian.
Yes,
this
sir.
Is Rico. We have another question from the group. Weld-On has always been known as an industry leader in pioneering cements that have the lowest VOCs. What makes the Weld-On Eco Series different?
Well, this was being driven by certain states that had to have cleaner air regulations. So by working with this chemist and the specially formulated solvents that we're using, the proprietary blend that we're using, we're able to reduce those solvent emissions by 30%. The nice thing about the Eco Series, you're still able to maintain the superior joint strength you get as well. Some of the benefits of the new Weld-On Eco Series is you get an improved workplace environment. An exposure study conducted under the supervision of a certified industrial hygienist and occupational health consultant showed that eco-solvent cements contributed significantly less emissions to the work environment than commercially available standard solvent cements. But one of the key things that a lot of people don't realize that on the standard can of solvent cement, you have basically what we call a burning chest logo that says that it's hazardous to your health. This is the first and only line of cement that does not have what we call the burning chest label on the can of cement. So if your contractors are interested in having a more environmentally friendly workplace, the Eco Series line of cements would be a great option for that customer. Now we're going to go to the test type product offering. The test type product offering includes a line of test type pneumatic plugs, mechanical test plugs and caps, accessories, and we have test plugs that go up to 96 inches in diameter. So if interested in any of our products on our test plugs, please contact our team again, and we'll be happy to get you any brochures, literature, or samples that you may need. The Christys product offering. One of the nice things about the acquisition of Christys is they bring over a lot of skills that IPS needed areas of improvement for IPS. For example, from the merchandising, from all the accessories, some of the marketing. Christys brings also, like I mentioned, the red hot glue product line. They bring sealants and lubricants, but most of all, they bring hand tools, job site essential, some geotextiles, which basically means fabrics for landscaping, some poly wrap encasements for protective of buried pipe, marking products for the job site, and waterworks specialty tools as well. As mentioned a couple times, this is Christys red hot glue product that was famous. It's a very fast setting glue. It's medium body, so it's not for everything, but for the plumbing, small diameter applications where customers have that preference and that specification, we will continue to offer the red hot glue product line. Selling points for the distributor and IPS is that IPS and Christys is just a great company to do business with. I have a philosophy in life that if you make it easy for your customer to do business with you, they'll do business with you. If you make it hard, they won't. So one of the great things about IPS Weld-On is they're just easy to do business with. Great fabricate, great partner for us as a manufacturer rep. But most importantly, with the acquisition of Christys now, you have vendor consolidation, and so you can have on one PO all the products that we're talking to you about today. From Weld-On primers and cements, to tools, to job site essentials we discussed, merchandising supplies, point of purchase displays we can offer, impulse sales for your customers. Typically, we've found that if you have these counter displays out front, your impulse sales are going to increase dramatically. Your profitability is going to be higher on those items. Have more flexibility of what you can put on the racks. And once again, all of our products ship very fast, and most of the time in our region, they ship directly out of Dallas. Oops, excuse me. So displays and merchandisers, here's some examples that we offer. We offer both the Christys and the Weld-On primers and cement displays. These are at no charge for you being a stocking distributor of our product. All we ask is that you feature the display prominently in your counter display area, and we'll send you a display at no charge. But one of the advantages is you add visibility to the product line and you grow your impulse sales, as we discussed. You get up to 40% volume increase. It's an easy way to grow the average invoice size, promote high margin products, and fast turns. It's designed for wholesale success with a compact footprint. It puts product where your customers can see it and buy it, and it fits easily at your sales and will call counters. It maximizes the sales per square foot with very easy replenishment. And then we move to our mobile merchandisers. We love the mobile merchandisers. you can use both sides of these merchandisers. You can mount them on the wall. They're very easily positioned. You can move them around within the store. And on the merchandisers, you have the options to put anything that we offer, from job site essentials and tools for waterworks markets, plumbing markets, irrigation, landscape, pool. As you can see in some of these merchandisers, we've got safety vests that we offer, safety glasses, gloves, towels, paint marking products, tools, pliers, cutters, saws, and we also have a full line of waterwork tools as well. The average cost per display is, if you are going to stock the display and feature it prominently in your store, we will provide the display once again at no charge to you, as long as you place a stock order to fill the display. And typically, to fill the display, it's typically going to cost you $980 to $1,300 for the initial investment. And once again, you can build it to order. You can combine and put whatever you want on that display. And then finally, stock your truck promotion. IPS and Christys is running a special right now where we stock up your truck with the Christys Job Site Essentials promotion. So basically, if you buy 10 or more cases, you can mix and match any of our products, and we will give you a special discount. Just contact our team at sales@faustmarketing.com or 281-296-2500, and we'll be happy to go over this with you. For example, you can review things like batteries, from cleanup bags, trash bags, to terry cloth rags, cable ties, gloves, caution tape, a lot of different things that are really useful on the job site. So please keep that in mind when working with us at IPS and Christys. So to wrap up our presentation, guys, everyone here at Faust Marketing, myself, Kathleen Ackerley, America Ramirez, we thank you for your business and look forward to working more with you in the future.